Welcome to UTalk Rhythms. You'll learn lots of useful words and phrases. Just say them aloud after you hear them, and they'll soon stick in your mind. The background music helps you to learn. You can use your player to repeat tracks that are important for you. And remember that you can find lots of useful material on the UTalk website at utalk.com. Let's get started. Easy listening, easy learning.
Here are some words that you're bound to need anywhere at any time.
Hello.
မင်္ဂလာပါ
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 Goodbye.
သွားမယ်နော်
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 Yes.
ဟုတ်ကဲ့
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 No.
မဟုတ်ပါဘူး
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 Please.
ကျေးဇူးပြုပြီး
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 And if you want to say thank you very much,
Thank you very much.
ကျေးဇူးအများကြီးတင်ပါတယ်
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 if you ask for directions, you're going to need these words.
Left.
ဘယ်ဘက်
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 Right.
ညာဘက်
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 Anywhere in the world, you'll want to know where these
Sample complete. Ready to continue?